Good evening, all of you. Good evening, everyone. I hope I am audible. Am I audible? Vanakkam, vanakkam. Yes, good evening, all of you. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Hello, hello, hello. Am I audible? Yes, fine. There is no echo problem, right? Okay, audible, fine. Yes, let us start. Shh. Good evening, all of you. So yesterday I gave this sum. How many of you did and how many of you got the answer? What exactly the answer? Can you please tell me? What? Please give me the answer. Yes, Mr. Find Me. Hi, hi. Yes, Daniel, right. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yes, can you please get the answer, my dear? $53. Very good. So you got the answer. Fine. So let me read the question. In the next World Cup of cricket, there will be 12 teams divided equally into two equal groups. Team of each group will play a match against other teams of the group. From each group, 3 top teams will qualify for next round. In this round, each team will play against each other. 4 top teams of this round will qualify for semifinals and play against each other. Other than 2 top teams will go to final, where they play the best of 3 matches. How much minimum number of matches in the next World Cup will be? Yes, correct. If you give time to read the question, anyone can give the answer. Listen here. There are total 12 teams. Am I right, my dear? It is divided into 6 and 6. Okay. Next. From 6, 3 teams will be selected. And from this 6, another 3 team will be selected. So, it will be formed as what? Another 6 teams. Now, the 6 teams will play with each other. From there, how many will come out, my dear? 4 teams will come out. From 4, of course, final. In that final, how many people are going to play? 2 people only going to play. 2 teams only going to play. So, and the 2 teams are going to play best of 3. So, this is what the question is. How many minimum matches can be played? Minimum matches can be played. It is not that how many exact matches. Minimum how many matches can be played? Yes, my dear. It's actually what you know. This question will take time to read only. Once you read the question, of course, it's very simple to answer. First, these 6 people will play each other. 6 teams will play with each other. So, to play the game, minimum 2 teams are needed. So, can we say it is 6C2 ways, my dear? Total 6C2 games can be played. Total 15 games can be played. Am I right? Total 15 games can be played among these 6 teams. And among these 6 teams, another 6C2 games will be played. Is that clear, all of you? Now, from here, how many teams are coming out? Out of 12 teams, now 6 teams are coming out. Okay, 6 teams are coming out. And within them, there is a round robin. Again, 6C2. Is that clear, all of you? Then, 4C2. Now, final is what? Among 2 teams. And it is best of 3. The question is, how many minimum number of matches? In that final, what happens, you know? Minimum how many games to be played? Best of 3 means minimum how many games should be played? 2 only. 2 is minimum 2 games to be played. For example, India Pakistan comes for the final and its final match. Best of 3. India first game won. Second game also India won. Is it necessary to play the third game, my dear? Yes, of course. So therefore plus 2. Is that clear, all of you? Plus 2. That's it. It is 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 6 plus 2. Total how many matches? 53. Yes. This time in June 2023 this question was there. So 53 is the right answer. I believe that most of you got the right answer, my dear. Fine. Now let us continue with sequence and the series. Okay. This one we did. Rahul Raj, excellent. You was right in exam too. Good. Fine. Please, I'm asking, please, my dear, listen here. Shh. All are requested to write a note. If A, B, C are in AP, then actual condition is what? Actual condition is middle term B is equal to A plus C by 2, or twice the middle term is equal to sum of the extreme terms. Am I right, my dear? Twice the middle term is equal to sum of the extreme terms. This is what actual method. But definitely you are not going to follow the actual method because we are smart enough to use some hacks or tricks. So what you are going to, that is hack. Put A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3. Is that clear, my dear? Put A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to 3. This is what the hack you are going to use. Fine. Now, if A square, B square, C square are in AP and the questions are in terms of ABC. Now I will give you the 3 numbers. Instead of putting 1, 2, 3 again, then what you'll do? Sorry, A equal to 1, B equal to root 2, C equal to root 3. Unnecessary time waste. I will give you one special sequence, which is a perfect square also, also in AP. So A square, B square, C square are in AP. Then the numbers are 1, 25, 49. These 3 numbers are special numbers, my dear. 1, 25 and 49. A square is 1, B square is 25, C square is 49. This is in AP. This is in AP at the same time perfect square. Yes. Yes, Aditya, इस बार India सारे मैच जीता है. Yes, let us pray to God. Let us win the match, win the cup. Now, if A, B, C are in GP, then actual method is what, my dear? Sir, actual is B square equal to AC, sir, or B equal to AC, sir. But the hack, what you are going to use, my dear? You are going to take A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 4. Am I right, my dear? These are the 3 numbers you are going to substitute. Of course, you are aware about it. Just a small note I would like to give. Now, in case, if the question is based on HP, then what we have to do is, whatever final numbers we are getting, we need to find out its reciprocal, and that reciprocal, if it forms AP, then we can say it is HP. Okay, fine. Now let me come to this example. C plus A minus B by B, comma A plus B minus C by C, comma B plus C minus A by A are in AP, then A, B, C are in. Okay, then A, B, C are in. Now listen here, my dear. Fine. Here in this question, actually every time it is going to be reverse. In the that is what we expect is every time it is reverse, but this time this way it was asked. Of course, it's a lengthy process. It's a lengthy process. Actual method is little lengthy process. So what can be done? Let us use trial and error method. We also go in the reverse order. Trial and error method. First we will assume A, B, C are in AP. Then we will put the values here. Okay. If we get AP, the 3 numbers you are going to get. If we get AP, then we can say our assumption is right. I will mark option A. If not, I'll substitute B. 1, 2, 4 I'll substitute and I'll check it here. If it gives me AP, then I can say yes sir, it form a AP, therefore A, B, C are in GP, therefore my assumption is correct. Then finally what? HP. So if both are not satisfied, then we should check the third one. But it's a it's a standard format. If you ask me, the answer is HP. In the examination, if the same problem comes, mark directly as HP. But I want to explain you this sum. First you are going to assume 1, 2, 3 AP. First you are going to assume option A 1, 2, 3. Substitute my dear 1, 2, 3. That is A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. Substitute what you are getting? What you are getting my dear? When you substitute 3 plus 1 minus 2 divided by 2. Next one is what? 1 plus 2 minus 3 divided by 3. Next one is what? 2 plus 3 minus 1 by 1. So you are going to get 4 minus 2, 2 by 2, 1, 0, 4. Sir, this is not in AP, sir. Therefore, my assumption is wrong. So this cannot be AP. Same way, this cannot be GP also. If you substitute 1 to 4, still I am not getting AP. Now, third one is what? HP. Sir, can we mark directly HP? Yes, there is a risk factor because there is none of these also there. So better you try the options only. Sir, but you did not give anything for HP, sir. Of course, my dear, I gave for AP. If the three numbers are in AP, what I told you to assume 1, 2, 3. If it is HP, it's reciprocal to be taken. So what you have to take? A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1 by 2, and C is equal to 1 by 3. These are the three numbers you have to take and substitute. Now substitute, my dear, C plus A minus B. What is it? 1 by 3 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. Okay. What is next, my dear? What is next? A plus B minus C. What is A plus B minus C? 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 by 1 by 3. Next one is what, my dear? B plus C minus A. What is B plus C minus A? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 1. So now take LCM. LCM is 6 for the first one. So 2 plus 6, 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. Is it right, my dear? 7 by 6 whole divided by 1 by 2. Is that right? Say yes or no? See, can you please check it again? What you are getting? 6 plus, sorry, this is, what did come, my dear? Can you please tell me? 1 by 3 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 whole divided by 1 by 2. Next one is, what is next one? Yeah, I'll tell you, Mohan. Wait. Now listen here. What is next? What is next one? B plus C minus A. A plus B minus C. Okay. A plus B minus C. 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 by 1 by 3. And finally what, my dear? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 divided by 1. Yes. When you take LCM for the numerator, what you are going to get, sir? 6 is the LCM. So 2 plus 6, 8. 8 minus 3. 5 by 6. 1 by 2. Next one is what? Again 6. 6 plus 3. 9. 9 minus 2, 7. 7 by 6 by 1 by 3. Last but not least, 6. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 minus 6 is what? Minus 1 by 6. Am I right, my dear? Minus 1 by 6. Now, we get 10 by 6. Next one is what? 21 by 6 minus 1 by 6. See, there is mistake in the order actually. It should not be C plus A minus B by B, A plus B minus C by C. It is actually reverse order. Because if it is of this format, 21 by 6, 10 by 6 minus 1 by 6, this is in AP. This is definitely not in AP. Is that clear, my dear? Actually what, the question is little ulta. First they have to give this one. A plus B minus C. The question is supposed to be what? A plus B minus C by C. Next one is C plus A minus B by B. And finally what? A plus B minus B by C by, sorry. C plus A, no. B plus C minus A by A. Sandhya, can you please wait? Yesterday did you attend the lecture? Acha, you want me to speak in Hindi? Very good. I'm not that much comfortable in Hindi, Sandhya. That is the biggest problem. Okay. Fine. Actually, the order should be like this. Then only this forms AP. If it is in this order, definitely it is not in AP. Definitely it is not in AP. Sir, what should I mark, sir? Of course, actually speaking, you need to check if the same sequence is given. None of this is the right answer. If it is a printing mistake, actually it's a printing mistake. Our answer is HP. Actually, it's a printing mistake. Denominator? What ABC? There is a printing mistake. It's a printing mistake. Now, the sum of series 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 2 cube plus 1 by 3 power 4 up to infinity. This type of question is always important, my dear. We need to split the sequence into two parts. One is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square plus dot 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 up to infinity. Alternate terms you take. Second one is 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 3 power 4 plus dot 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 up to infinity. You know S infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R. My dear, I am giving you 35 seconds. Can you please solve it? Please. Can you please solve this? Yes, question bank. That is previous sum was a time consuming sum. You are right. "35 seconds. Can you please take it and give me the answer, my dear?" Here, A is equal to 1 by 2. R is equal to 1 by 2 square divided by 1 by 2. Right, my dear? Second term divided by first term, which is nothing but 1 by 2 again. Is it clear, all of you? Oh, sorry. It is 1 by 2 cube. My bad. So this is to be what? 1 by 4. And here A is 1 by 9. R is also 1 by 9. So what exactly will come? Can you please tell me? First one, A divided by 1 minus 1 by R plus A divided by 1 minus 1 by R, which is equal to 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 4 plus 1 by 9 divided by 8 by 9. 9 get cancelled 2 times. So is it nothing but 2 by 3 plus 1 by 8. 16 plus 3. 19 by 24. Very good, my dear. Everyone got the right answer. Janil is asking trick hai kya? But trick is there. But it is calculative risk. There you have to take calculative risk. I'll tell you what is meant by calculative risk. See, sometimes I always appreciate my students to take some calculative risks. What is meant by calculative risk, you know? Our instinct will say this could be the answer. Okay. So we can go ahead with that instinct if you have practiced enough. So what is calculative risk, you know? I can give the assurance at least 90% answer will be right. Okay. So what is that risk? I'll tell you in this question. What is the calculative risk trick? I'll tell you. What are the numbers involved in the denominator, my dear? What are the numbers involved in the denominator? Say loudly. What are the numbers involved in the denominator? 2 and 3. Therefore, my denominator must be what? Divisible by 6. What is LCM of 2 and 3? 6. My denominator must be divisible by 6. Option B cannot be my answer. Am I right, my dear? Because denominator is not divisible by 6. Either option A or option C. Here, everything is positive. So, among these two, bigger number will be my answer. Okay, among positive, bigger number will be my answer. My dear, it's a small, like you know, it's a calculative risk, but I request you to use the actual method only. 1 by 5, 1 by 5 square, 1 by 5 cube, dot dot dot, 1 by 5 power n. We need to find out its sum. My dear, yesterday in my session I told you whenever sum of n terms question comes, always go for 3 terms. Always go for 3 terms. But these questions are some exemptions. Like here if you go for 3 terms, it is actually waste of time. We need to decide when 3 terms we should go, when we have to go with the 1 term. Because here some abnormal sequences, 1 by 5, 1 by 5 square, 1 by 5 cube. Even when you add 3 terms, that is also you are going to take lot of time. So these type of sequences are coming. Some abnormal sequences are there. You better go ahead with first term only. What is first term here? 1 by 5. So put n equal to 1, whichever option gives you 1 by 5, this is your answer. So directly what you can mark, my dear sir, I will substitute here. 1 by 4, 1 minus 1 by 5 whole power 1, which is 1 by 4 into 4 by 5, sir cut, which is 1 by 5. No other option will satisfy. No sir, I will go ahead with 3 terms only. Please go ahead with 3 terms, nothing wrong. 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 square plus 1 by 5 cube. LCM is 125. 25 plus 5 plus 1. What is it, my dear? 31 by 125. Put n equal to 3 here. Whichever option gives you 31 by 125, that is your answer. So here even 1 if you take and substitute, yes, you will get it. My dear, but this call you need to take in the examination. Okay. When you find, I think this is some abnormal sequence, instead of going 3 terms, let us go with 1 term. Okay, instead of going 3 terms, go with 1 term. Is that clear, my dear? Yes. Okay. Are you all ready? In the series 25, 5, 1, dot dot dot, 1 by 3125, which term is 1 by 3125? Can you please find out? Kids, can you do it, my dear kids? Can you do it? Question bank is giving me option A. Ramanujam given me option C. Kasturiya C. Anjali C. Little Heart C. Logeshwaran C. Okay, everyone is giving me C. Rahul Raj A. Why? Daniel 8. Okay, very good. I think everyone is getting right answer except a few. Now look at this, my dear. So first actual method. First what? Actual method. Sir, you know the last term, sir. 1 by 3125. Okay, what is last term formula? What is last term formula? But there is no n only. Do you know what is n? That is what we have to find out, right? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into, oh, this is GP, man. Arey, what you are doing? L is equal to AR power n minus 1. So 1 by 3125 is equal to A. R is 1 by 5 whole power n minus 1. Now cross multiply this. 1 by 5 whole power n minus 1 is equal to 1 by, can you tell me what is 3125 is? What is 3125? 5 cube 125, 5 power 4 625, 5 power 5 is 3125. Is that right, my dear? Yes. So 1 by 5 whole power n minus 1 is equal to 1 by 5 whole power 5. So what is n minus 1 is equal to 5. N equal to 6. What is the mistake here? I will tell you the trick later. Because everyone gave me option C. But I am getting option A. If I apply the formula, I am getting option A. What exactly the mistake here? Yeah, logic is fine. I will tell you the logic. 5 square, 5 power 1, 5 power 0, 1 by 5 power 1, 1 by 5 power 2, 1 by 5 power 3, 1 by 5 power 4. Correct, na? This is what 1 by 3125. Oh, this 25. Oh, sorry, this 3125, this 25 missed it. Sorry. Plus 2. 7. N minus 1 is 7. So n is equal to 8. Sorry. So when you are using this rule, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 terms. This is directly by using the method or calculator, whatever you are using. But calculator is time consuming, my dear. If you know 5 square, see, it's very simple. 3125 is what? 5 power 5. So this is 1 by 5 power 5. Am I right, my dear? 1 by 5 power 5. Now can you tell me, my dear, see, listen here, directly how I am saying. After 1 there are 5 terms. After 1 there are 5 terms. And here how many terms we have got? 3 terms. 5 plus 3 is 8 terms. Yes, can you do this? If the sum of 5 terms of AP is 75, then the third term of the series. Yes, attitude, I just recently noticed. 17th sum. If the sum of 5 terms of AP is 75, find the third term of the series. C, okay. Very good. Listen here. Fine. Here, sum of 5 terms is equal to 75. Am I right, my dear? Okay. Now they ask you to find out the third term. Apply the formula. 5 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 75. Let us take 2 outside. 5 by 2 into 2 a plus 2d is equal to 75. 2 get cancelled. 15s are. So a plus 2d is equal to 15. Am I right, my dear? Next, T3 is equal to a plus 2d. Is that right? They ask you to find out third term. T3 is equal to a plus 2d. This everyone knows. So what is third term is? 15. What is third term is? 15. सर सीए फाउंडेशन जून 2024 के लिए आपके यूट्यूब पे क्लासेस कब आएंगे? अरे 2024 यूट्यूब पे आएगा, मई जून में आएगा. Say, I would like to happily inform you, I am really very happy about it. I came to know from few students that some of the, like, in one place, like, people are telecasting our lectures. Okay, it is good. At least we are reaching everywhere. Fine. In their classes itself, it's a nice thing. So we also entertain that. There is nothing wrong. Okay, because we are giving it for free. Let everyone should get benefit. I'm very, very happy about it. Thank you for that, whoever are doing. Five seconds to solve this. If the AM and the GM of two numbers 6.5 and 6, the numbers are 5 seconds. Yes. K7 Fans Club. BBBB. Little Heart B. Ramanujam BBBB. Question Bank B. Okay. Vikas B. Chris wrong. Can you please check it again? Anjali B, okay. Attitude, Phoenix, Shivkumar B, yes, everyone is giving me right answer. See, so far I got so many answers except Krish. Everyone gave me the right answer. Can you please check and give me the right answer, Krish? Yes, my dear. I told you ना तो अप्रैल मई में आएगा तो डेट तो अभी बाद में फाइनल होगा ना एग्जाम के पहले. Yes. Now listen here. Use trial and error method. Use trial and error method. What is arithmetic mean? 6.5. So therefore, definitely 3 and 2 not possible. 6.5 is not between 3 and 2. So that's over. 9 and 4. Let us check 9 and 4. So 9 plus 4 by 2. Sir, 6.5. First condition satisfied. Let us go for the second condition. How to check the second condition? Square root of 9 into 4. What is square root of 9 into 4 is? Sir, 6 is there. So GM is 6. Second condition also satisfied. Yes, very good. This one also maximum 7 seconds. AM and HM of the following numbers are 5 and 3.2 respectively. GM will be. This is there from central tendency. This relation you might have learnt it from central tendency. Option C. Okay. Monisha right, Pinky right, Little Heart right, Find Me right. Very good. C. I think you know this rule. No pain, keep entertained. Very good. Yes. GM square equal to AM into HM. What is AM? 5 into 3.2, which is 16. So therefore GM is 4. Yes, very good. I hope you got it in within the time limit. What a fantastic sum. 3 numbers in GP with their sum 130 and their product 27,000. I don't think you require my support only. I don't think you require my support. Guys, for your information, today we'll be doing time value of money also. The remaining problems. Option देख के समझ जाएगा Daniel, क्या बात है? Yes, Pinky, Kalpana right, Ashwin right. Yes, everyone is giving me right answer. Attitude wrong. Don't show your attitude, man. Both B. Vedant, what is this? Both after that bracket B. Yes. Both is the right answer. How? Listen here. Don't use any actual method and all. It is clearly given GP. So first condition we should check whether the option comes in GP or not. 10, 30, 90. 10 3s are 30, 30 3s are 90. Sir, it's GP, sir. First part. Sum is 130. Sir, when I add, I checked it, sir, 130. Second condition also satisfied. Third one is product 27,000. Multiply all the three, you are getting 27,000. Don't mark option A directly. Sir, I check option A and I mark it, sir. Then why should I check option B, sir? My dear, when there is an option, both, always check the other option also. Always check the other option also. So 90, 30, 10. Again it's in GP. Again all the three conditions are satisfied. Therefore option, sorry, B also satisfies. My answer is what, my dear? C. Yes, Vedant. I think halwa sum. I enjoy this sum. I think you also will enjoy. Yesterday I taught you the trick. I want you to apply this trick and check it yourself, my dear. The 20th term of arithmetic progression whose 6th term is 38 and the 10th term is 66. Yes. Attitude, YouTube, YT option नहीं देखिए sir. अरे यार. What Hindi, man? 136. Wow, fantastic. Did you apply the trick or you applied the actual method? Did you apply the trick or actual method? I'll be very happy if you applied the trick, my dear. I'll be very, very happy. Trick na? Very good. Fine. What is it? Sir, 6th term is 38. 10th term is 66. They ask you to find out 20th term. Am I right, my dear? Yes. Now listen here. 6th term is 38. So according to us, what is it? D is equal to 66 minus 38. What is 66 minus 38 is? 28 by 4. What is 28 by 4 is? 7. What is, my dear? 28 by 4 is 7. Now listen here. I will find out, sir. 6 sevens are 42. But here I have 38. That means 4 number less. So 42 minus 4. Am I right? Same way, 10 sevens are 70. 70 minus 4. Sir, 4 number less. Same way, 20 sevens are 140. 140 minus 4. 136. Do you all agree, my dear? Yes, Daniel. Bhavya, I think I explained the trick once again, my dear. My dear, the people who are leaving the lecture because of language issue, I will tell you, my dear, I am not speaking any British English. Okay. So it's a normal English only. If you just have some patience, you can easily understand what I am talking. Okay. Yeah. Yes, my dear Janiel, you are great, man. To see great. Oh. Wow. Let these type of questions come in the exam, my dear. Divide 69 into 3 parts which are in AP and are such that the product of first 2 parts is 460. Yes, Vaishnavi, you are right. Sir, मैं हिंदी practice करूँगा अड़ा पावेंगा. Okay. Yes, Mohan. Okay. Option A. Okay. Fine. So, I think everyone is giving me right answer. Genial. Can you please check it once again? Okay. Fine. Now, divide 69 into 3 parts. That means 3 numbers are given. We have to add. We need to check whether 69 is coming or not. That is the first condition. Second condition is what? Product of the first 2 parts is 460. Okay. First I am taking this. First check whether it is in AP or not. Yes, sir. It's in AP. Add all the 3. Are you getting 69 or not? Yes, sir. 69. Now what is it? 20 into 23. What is it? 460. Answer over. Fine. This is sum of n terms question. Go for 3 terms. Because it's a very simple numbers, right? So let us check with 3 numbers. Please do it. Yes, Darya. Madhavi given us B, sorry A, Janiel A, Tamil Kursil A, Praveen A, okay, Amrita, everyone is giving me answer A. Anjali, can you check it once again? Can you check this once again? Emma, institute material vaichirunga. Okay. Why Madhvi and all getting B, sorry, C? Everyone C is C, you people are getting. Nth term. Why everyone is getting C? Nth term, very good. They ask you to find out Tn. You are finding Sn. Please find the difference, my dear. Mubashira D given, wow. So what is Tn? Guys, they ask you to find out Tn. Whoever given me answer C, you are good. So you did not go with my words, right? Perfect. So what is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into A. This is actually not in AP. See what I'm applying. Then I'll give you a shortcut. Are you all ready? But fantastic, my dear. Yes, Vedant, you are right, you are right, you are right. Yes. I'll give you one simple trick, my dear. Always go with the third term. What is here in third term? Say loudly. What is here in third term? Say loudly, man. What is here in third term? 13. Put n equal to 3 in the options. Whichever options gives you 13, that is your answer. Now I will explain you why I am always go with the third term. If you go with first term only, what is first term is? 3. You put 1 equal to n equal to 1, 3 you are getting. Here also what you are getting? 3 you are getting. So now which one you will mark? So better you go with the third term. Third term always, whenever it satisfies, now that is your answer, my dear. So please always believe in third term. Put n equal to, that is 13 we got third term is, and put n equal to 3 in the option. I think now you are clear. Vedant, right? Now you are giving C. Vignesh still giving me B. I hope you understand, my dear. Yeah, all terms giving 3 only. So n equal to 1, you please don't try only, na. That's what the safest method is, n equal to 3. The number of integers from 1 to 100 which are neither divisible by 3 nor by 7. Which are neither divisible by 3 nor by 7. The number of integers from 1 to 100 which are neither divisible by 3 but nor divisible by 7. Rahul Raj, can you check it once again? 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 1 is 11. You are taking 12 minus 1 is 13. Save Bital Nagar gives A. K7 fan club giving me D. Mohan speaks given me C. Sakshi C. Fine. Now my turn. The number of integers from 1 to 100 which are neither divisible by 3 nor by 5 nor by 7. Fine. So except divisible by 3, 5, 7. I need to find out its sum. Now first, let me add first 100 numbers. Am I right, my dear? From here, let me remove multiples of 3. What are multiples of 3, my dear? 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus dot 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 99 minus, remove numbers which are divisible by 5 also. What is it? 5 100. Divisible by 7 also you please remove, my dear. 7 plus 14 plus dot 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 plus 98. Is there is any number which is divisible by 3, 5 as well as 7? No. The first number which is divisible by 3, 5 and 7 is 105, which is more than 100. Let us not bother about it. Only this much we have to do. Can you do this, my dear? N into n plus 1 by 2 minus, here n is 33. 33 into 34 by 2 minus, what I am doing? n by 2 first term plus last term, 20 by 2 first term plus last term, 14 by 2 first term plus last term. Am I right, my dear? Now check this and get the answer. Oh, they ask you to find out number of integers. Array, what I am doing, man? Shey, I did not read. Okay, it's okay. At least you learned how to find out this. Fine. Now they ask you to find out number of integers which are divisible by 3, neither 3 nor 5 nor 7. That is what the question. Very good. Simply what you take, 100 minus 33 minus 20 minus 14. Huh? No. See, multiples of 15 and multiples of 70, multiple of 35 and multiple of 21 also to be removed, to be added. See, 3 and 5 multiples of 15. How many are there? 6. Next, multiple of 35, 2. Multiple of 21, 4. Now add everything. What you are getting? 45. Let me explain it once again, my dear. Total there are 100 numbers. First I am removing how many numbers which are divisible by 3. Total how many numbers are divisible by 3? 33 numbers. I removed it. Next I removed digits which are divisible by 5. And finally I removed it which are divisible by 7. Next I am taking the LCMs 3 and 5, 15. I am adding. Then 5 and 7 which is 35. Then finally 3 and 7 which is 21. Those numbers we are adding. Yes, Aditya. Thank you so much for understanding. Okay. In a geometric progression, third and sixth terms are respectively 1 and minus 1 by 8. The first term A and common ratio are respectively. Can you please do it? They ask you to find out first term and common ratio. Third term is given, sixth term is given. Third term given, sixth term given. Option C. Okay. Option C is the right answer. That what orally how to give the answer first, let me tell you. Sir, third term is positive. Sixth term is negative. That means odd number of terms are positive, even number of terms are negative. Now if I have to find out the first term is odd number of terms. So therefore must be positive. So all the options are positive, sir. Then definitely what sixth term is negative means R must be negative. There are only two options which has got negative sign. Now here I got 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is powers of 3. Powers of 2. So therefore I may go ahead with option C directly without doing anything. But what exactly the actual method? Third term is 1. Sixth term is what? Minus 1 by 8, which is A r square is 1, A r power 5 is minus 1 by 8. Now A r power 5 divided by A r square is minus 1 by 8, A cut, r cube is minus 1 by 8. So what is r equal to? minus 1 by 2. Substitute r is equal to minus 1 by 2 in the first equation. A is equal to 4. Either you do like this or the way I told you, directly you can get it. Next, the sum of three numbers in a geometric progression is 28. When 7, 2 and 1 are subtracted from the first, second and the third numbers respectively, then the resulting numbers are in arithmetic progression. What is the sum of the squares of the original three numbers? If they ask you to find out sum of the original if they ask you to find out three numbers, that is easily we can find out. But here they ask you to find out what is the sum of the squares of the original numbers. The sum of the three numbers of a geometric progression is 28. Let's see. Good. Let's see anybody gives the answer directly or not. Can anyone give me the answer, my dear? See, when it is given, sum of the three numbers in geometric progression is 28. Such a small number. That means he can easily identify what are the three numbers. 4, 6, 8. Do you all agree? Sorry. 4, 8, 16. Now add 4, 8, 16 in GP. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 16 is 28. Condition satisfied. Now, first number is what? When 7, 2, 1 are subtracted from the first. 7 is subtracted from first, minus 3. 2 is subtracted from the second. And 1 is subtracted from the third. Now sum of the squares, they ask you to find out. 9 plus 36 plus 225. Can you tell me what did you get? Huh? Is the resulting numbers are in AP? Of course. Minus 3 plus 9 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 51. The resulting numbers are in AP. Sum of the squares. What you are getting, my dear? 270. Oh, sum of original. So therefore my assumption is correct. 4 square plus 8 square plus 16 square. What is the sum of the squares of the original three numbers? 4 square plus 8 square plus 16 square. What is the answer? 336. Sakshi is asking why 4, 8, 16. My dear, I am assuming because since the sum of the three numbers in GP is a very small number, we can easily get those three numbers. 4, 8, 16. They are in GP as well as what sum is also 28. I am checking the other condition after subtracting 7, 2 and 1 whether it is giving me AP or not. Yes, after doing this I am getting three numbers which are in AP. Therefore my assumption is correct. So I am just squaring and adding. That's it. The number of terms of the series 5 plus 7 plus 9 ... so that the sum may be 480. Without the test timing and all, everything will be uploaded in the app, my dear. Don't worry. Tomorrow get ready for the test. In that test you are going to get your strength, weakness, everything. Chapter 27. What is the answer? Santosh Balaji given me D. But other side I am getting options A. Mohan speaks, Anjali, everyone is giving me option A. Yes, Muskan. Tell me what is it? See, it is given Sn is equal to 480. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 480. Now put the values of n, for example 20 by 2, 10 plus 10 plus 38. 48 tens are 480. Yes sir, my assumption is right. Option A is the right answer. The answer of last question is 336. Santosh. Now, if the sum of n terms of an AP is 2n square, the fifth term is, I want you to find out this, my dear. Take your time and find out. I need to know the answer. Huh? 20. Daniel, you are tricker, man. You are a hacker, real hacker. Okay, few people are giving me, I think almost everyone is giving me B. Some people are giving me 20, K7, P key. If the sum of n terms of an AP is 2n square, the fifth term is. Many of them are giving, some people are giving me C. Might it's a fantastic sum, might it's a wonderful sum. Okay. I want to do this sum. Similar type, one more question also I am going to give and I am going to solve, and I'll give you one beautiful hack. Please try to learn that. First, what is the method, first method, which is highly what like, yes sir, I'm very much convinced, like safest method. First, Sn is 2n square. Tell me what is S1? 2. What is S2? 8. Can I write it as 2 plus 6? Say yes or no, my dear. So first term is 2, second term is 6. Since it is AP, 2 plus 6 plus 10 plus 14. Am I right, my dear? We'll keep on adding 4, 4, 4 and plus 18. What is my fifth term? 18. What is my fifth term, my dear? 18. Is that clear, all of you? Is that clear? This is safest method. Now I'm going to tell you one shortcut method, one hack. Are you ready, my dear? If sum of n terms of an AP is 2n square plus 3n, then find nth term. That is why everyone is giving me 20 is the answer. Why 20? They ask you to find out what is the fifth term. Fifth term is 18 only I am getting, na? 18 is the right answer. If sum of n terms of an AP is 2n square plus 3n, then find the nth term. Please do it, my dear. Whatever method you know, first you solve it. Hey, hello. Nine and minus 4. 4n plus 3 wrong. Please find Tn. You are going to learn one fantastic hack now. So please first you apply your method. And I want to know the right answer for this. None of them gave me the right answer so far. Aditya, no. None of them gave me right answer so far. Why? K7 right. Oh, K7 wrong. Monisha, who is Monisha? Monisha right. Hey Daniel, I will teach hack. First you apply the actual method, na my dear. I think you might have learned the actual method. You don't know actual method also? Jason wrong. Ramanujam right. Now K7 right, Pinky right, Vaishnavi wrong. Yes, Aditya right, Muskan right, Sakshi right. Mohan check, answer wrong. Yes, Rajal right, Shweta, Rati, everyone right. Arvind wrong, Vaishnavi wrong. Now, what is the actual method you might have followed? See, what is the maximum hack people might have taught you? I'll tell you. Sir, Sn is given as 2n square plus 3n, sir. S1. What is S1? 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. This is nothing but my A. What is S2? 2 square 4, 8. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14, which is nothing but 5 plus 9. So therefore D is equal to what? 9 minus 5, which is 4. Now they ask you to find out Tn. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into 4. 5 plus 4n minus 4, which is 4n plus 1. This is the maximum hack people might have taught you. How many of you applied this method? How many of you applied this method? Me, Pinky, me. Okay. How many of you applied this method? Vidur, me, Whitey. Okay, attitude. Acha, Vaibhav. Yes. Yes, actually. I think most of you applied this method, right? Now, what if I say it can be written in one single line? For that, one small trick to be followed. Just follow what I am saying. So today you may learn the very good hack. Please look at this. This is our Sn. Am I right? Tn is equal to. If you want to learn this trick, one basic, very, very basic derivative. If not also fine, but it's a basic derivative for only one step. Look at this. Do what I am saying. For first term, what is first term here? What is first term here? 2n square. What is derivative of 2n square? You just multiply these two here. 2 2s are 4n and the numerator 2 minus 1, 1 only. So 4n. The 2 you bring it to the base. Sir, I don't want derivatives, sir. So don't use derivatives. This 2 is here now. Multiply with this 2. Write it as 4n. Okay? Plus. Open the brackets. Open the brackets. Now, what is coefficient of 3? See, what is coefficient of n? Minus, what is coefficient of n square? What is coefficient of n square? 2. Yes, Ritika, very good. Answer is over. Guys, you understand this? Wow, question bank is asking in which type of question we use this trick, sir. Yeah, really, this is the type AP, sum of n terms given, find the nth term. My dear, you understand this? Did you like this? Maybe first time you have already taught in this. Yes, sir, my dear. Yes, Amrita, I taught. Because in my class I always teach this method only, na. Hey guys, Innovate. Did you enjoy this? Did you understand this? See, what did I say? What I have done? 2n square plus 3n. So 2 bring it here, 4n plus, only take the coefficients. 3 minus 2. Coefficient is plus 3 minus 2. That is 1. 4n plus 1. Answer directly over, man. Fine. Now, the same trick I can apply it for the previous sum also. Look at this. Same Sn is given. Sn is equal to 2n square. Sir, plus nothing, sir. Can we put it as 0n for our convenient? Yes. What is Tn? Our rule. Okay, Mohan, you please satisfy with what you know, man. What is it? 4n plus. What are the coefficients? 0 minus 2. What is it, my dear? 0 minus 2. What is it? 4n minus 2. Now, they ask you to find out fifth term. Put n equal to 5 here. 18. Is this right? Did you understand this, my dear? Yes, everyone. Guys, you understood or not? Okay. My dear, innovate, please. Because in South, many students knows this trick because I upload it as a, it's many things I upload it in YouTube. But whether you know this or not, please check it, my dear. Understood. Okay. Can you give me the answer for the next one? The sum of squares of any real positive quantities and its reciprocal is never less than. Ramanujam given me D. May I know why D? Ramanujam, why D? Because everyone giving me option B. Fine. The sum or square of any real positive. Wow, Vaibhav also given me A. May I know why, my dear? Why it is less than 1? I want to know that. Yeah, attitude I'll teach, man. Before teaching, I want to ask. You can't understand the question only. Very good. Listen here. Sum of square of any positive quantities, any positive real positive quantities, and its reciprocal is never less than. Option A. For example, let me take any real positive quantities. Any real positive will take. Any positive real number you take. Any positive real number you take. Here it is clearly given quantities. So 1, 2, 3 only I should take. Am I right? So what is it? Sum of squares of any real number. It's the smallest real number I take. And its reciprocal. Again this only. So this cannot be. You take any other number. It is everything is going to be what? More than this number only. Do you all agree, my dear? So it cannot be less than 2. It cannot be less than 2. We take 1 and do it, my dear. We take 1 and do it. Since they have mentioned quantities, so I cannot take the decimal values. The smallest real quantity I am taking, which is 1, Sum of those two, I am adding reciprocals. Yes. Yes, can you please do this? 1. If sum of the square of that number and its reciprocal. What is reciprocal of 1? You should take 1 and 1 only, na? How you will take 1 and 2? Is 2 is reciprocal of 1? Now, if the sum and product of three numbers of GP are 7 and 8 respectively, the fourth term of the series is. The fourth term of the series is. Can you give me the answer for this? Mohan, you are talking about our 30th sum? Very good, Rupesh. You are right. Ashwin, right. Wrong. Ashwin, wrong. Please give me the answer. Sakshi, wrong. 30 ka C. Okay, Rupesh. You are right. Actual answer is 8. I'll tell you why. If the sum and product of three numbers in GP, if I take 1, 2, 4, sum is 7. These are the three numbers only they are talking. Then product 1 into 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Sir, these are the three numbers, sir. First is 1, second is 2, third is 4. Therefore, last one must be what? 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. They ask you to find out fourth term. Very simple. Okay. It's your turn. It's your turn. I want you to give me the answer. Yeah. Okay, I think everyone giving me 1071, but too much time consuming. You people are giving me right answer, but you need to, like, do it little more fast. Time consuming. Now, up to 17th term you have to add. That means they ask you to find out S17, which is nothing but what? 17 by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Check this. Yes, my dear. 1071. My dear, you need to work on time now. Okay, time management only remedy of clearing this paper 3. Any competitive exam, people are lagging in time management only. You people are brilliant. You know how to get the answer, but you don't know the procedure, the approach towards to get the answer. Please learn that. How you should learn, by practice. So many MCQs you need to solve. Okay, simple ideas you have to use. I have seen many of the students are solving the problems traditional way. My dear, traditional way is important. I am not saying, because in my class I always do traditional method as well as hack. But remember, aptitude tests, everything is now based on decision making. Okay, how you are good in making decisions. So that is what they are going to check. So for that, there are some hacks to be applied. If institute wanted you to use the actual method or anything, so they might have given this paper as what, in a descriptive format. Okay, because if 100 questions are there in the examination, if at all I have to solve 100 questions in descriptive form in 2 hours, which is highly impossible. Please remember that. Okay, please. Sir, in board exams and all we solved 100 marks questions, sir. In board exams You solved it for 100 marks, but number of questions not more than 30. Okay, not more than 30. Actually, you solved that to 3 hours. Chennai and all people are writing it for 3 hours. Bombay, you people are writing for 2.5 hours. See, this is the fact. Try to understand. If somebody is coming and discouraging you, nay, let us not apply this hack and all. Please don't listen to them, because I'm a pure mathematician and I'm giving the hack. So please go ahead with that, my dear. Because many of you are many of you are facing problem in time management only. I will always believe total 100 questions. If any student can read all 100 questions within the time frame, that is in 2 hours time, everyone will pass. And instead of 2 hours paper, if institute extend the duration to 2.5 hours, no one will fail. Now you tell me, you are failing because of the paper difficulties? No, it is because of time only. Try to understand. Same question paper is given for 2.5 hours. No one will fail in this examination. Most of you will score more than 50 or 60. Okay, here the challenge is not the numerical problems. Okay, challenge is time. So please understand, my dear. Follow whatever I say very clearly, and at least remember this word always. Okay, you try to reach, see, any student reaching up to 100 sums. I think the people who already applied, attended examination, and if you are applying for, attending for the second or third time, just imagine what happened last attempt. Imagine what happened last attempt. Did you reach all up to 100 sums? Most of the students, by reaching 60th sum, time up. Remaining 40 sums, no one could reach only, no one could read only. But that 40 sums may be very simple. You might be knowing, out of 40, you might be knowing 35 sums. But you did not have time to read that. Because of that, you lost 35 sum marks. Is that correct? Now you tell me, is the paper difficult or time is the constraint? Time. So please work on time. Time is precious. Is that clear, my dear? Time is very much precious. So work on time. And don't think that, okay, sir, I cannot understand this hack. No. If we keep on applying it, definitely anyone can understand the hack, my dear. There is, see, it's not a magic. I'm applying very simple logic. I am not applying any mathematical tricks, my dear. I am applying only logical tricks. If you attend my IIT JEE lectures, there most of them are what, mathematical tricks. And here we are using only logical tricks. Logical tricks can be followed by even a non-mathematics student, because I always believe non-mathematics students also should get benefit out of it. So please understand this, my dear. Okay, so work on time. Time is precious. Okay, yes, Daniel is saying I want to score only 60. My dear, if you want to score only 60 in 2 hours time, you have to read all 100 questions. That is what very important. See, going up to 60 sums and getting 60 marks is challenging. Going up to 100 sums and 60 marks, definitely possible. So try to do that. Sir, can you, my dear, I think 4th of November I am going to tell you how to approach maths paper. So please attend that session. I will definitely explain it. These are all the points I will be covering. Thank you, question bank. Okay. 30 seconds. What is the answer? Yay. Very good. Fine. So people are giving me option A. Some people given me option C. But A is the right answer. How? I'll tell you. This is given Sn 3n square plus 5n. Am I right, my dear? Now find Tn. What is our Tn, my dear? 6n 5 minus 3 plus 2. So what is our T1? Apply 1, my dear. What is our T1? 8. What is T2? 14. So 8, 14, 20, 26. Option A, my dear. So do you understand where and all? See, I have only single hack. Different problems I am applying. So maximum what method you might have followed, Sir, Sn is 3n square plus 5n. S1 I will find, sir, 8. S2 I will find, sir, 3 into 2 square plus 5 into 2. which is equal to 4 3s are 12 plus 10 is 22, which is 8 plus 14. So you mark this one. Am I right, my dear? Why you will not go for 28 and 24? Because they are not in AP. That's it. The largest value of n for which 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 power n is less than 0.998. Yes, Pratham. Okay. What is the answer? 33, option A people are giving me. The largest value. Sir, same solve. Very good, Vaibhav. Good. Now listen here. Let me take the largest value 9. Let me check with 9. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square plus dot 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 1 by 2 power 9. Let me check this. Total how many terms now? 9 terms. A 1 minus 1 by 2 whole power 9 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 power 9 is what? 512. Is it 511 divided by 512, my dear? What is 511 divided by 512 is? 0.998. So this is the maximum number. 0.998. So that means this is 0.998. But we want strictly less than 0.998. So therefore my answer is what? 8. Option D. My dear, if I take 9, I am getting equal to 0.998. But the question is less than 0.998. So therefore my answer is 8. Is that clear, all of you? My dear, you understood? Because many of you given me answer A. But change it to D. Are you all convinced about D, my dear? Praveen, you can call on this number, or my number is already there with you. Just share, put the message. I'll share it with my team people. Guys, you understood? Yes. Next. Can you do this? If the nth term of the arithmetic progression 975 is same as the nth term, n equal to 9, the arithmetic progression 15, 12, 9, then n will be. What is this? If the nth term of the arithmetic progression 975 is same as the nth term of the arithmetic progression 15, 12, 9. Rajal is saying I sent doubt 3 days before. My dear, sometimes, see, actually I'll tell you, Rajal, after I shared my number to people, many doubts are coming. Okay, sometimes I'm not getting time to solve it. Okay, so if I'm not answering you, you please keep on sending. Don't take it another way around. So many doubts because I just gave my number in the YouTube channel, which I did. What I did was wrong. Hey, who is this Pinky? Poi Valley Parada. What nonsense you people are using the word language? Huh? Even gada another pananga nenikara. Please. Fine. Shh. Rahul Raj is asking, sir, 9 question mark. Very good. nth term of the arithmetic progression. Look at this. 9, 7, 5. And the second one is what? 15, 12, 9. How ultra legend approach this sum? Okay, how ultra legends approach this sum? Look at this. 9, 7, 5. Next one will be what? 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. Am I right, my dear? This is my 7th term. Fine. Because option A is 7, I am checking whether 7th term is equal or not. 15, 12, 9. After that what, my dear? 6, 3, 0, minus 3. Sir, 7th term is equal, sir. Answer over. This is what ultra legend do. Now you decide whether you want to be a kid or ultra legend. Vaishnavi Shaktivel is asking, is this 9, sir? Understood? Yes, Mohan, right. Ultra legend, very good. I hope you all want to be an ultra legend, right? See, there is no need to use any actual method. Simply do it. Ultra Pro Max. Wow. Okay, I'll remember this shake. In a geometric progression, the second term is 12 and the 6th term is 192. Find the 11th term. Genial, you want to be Ultra Pro Max legend. Okay. I'm coming to Mumbai next month. You come and meet me. I'll tell you the tricks. Yes, Vaibhav. Thank you. Don't worry, Sakshi. I'll be providing. Rupesh given me answer 6144. Sir, gone on next name. Yeah. Ultra Legend Pro Max. Okay. I don't know how many of you are from Mumbai. I'm coming to Mumbai next month. If you are there, we'll meet, my dear. Mumbai, anyone from Central Line, my dear? Anyone is from Central Line? Ria, of course. Of course. Almost all Central Line only. Almost all Bombay only, okay. Sir, where in Mumbai? Yes, Ria. See, basically, my Sasural is in Mumbai only, man. So I have to come, otherwise my wife will not leave me. Right? Yes, Mayurush. Actually, I am from Mulund. Visit Borivali. Oh, yeah, okay. We'll visit and we'll meet. Half answer came, sir. Very good. Do you come to Chennai? I am there in Chennai only, man. Mohan. Yo. Western, okay. My dear, I traveled because I have been in Mumbai. I was there in Mumbai for almost 12-13 years as a teacher, coaching class faculty. Near to you, Moiresh? Yes. After Thane, where, man? Actually, it's my line, man. I used to travel a lot. You can tell me half Mumbai kar I am. Okay. Apun to आधा Mumbai वाला है भाई. You people are thinking na sir is not speaking Hindi. Sir said he is not comfortable with this, so he may not be knowing about Mumbai. कुछ भी. சிரா கிட்ட பேசேன் ஃபோன் பண்ணுறேன்னு சொல்லு 10:30 பண்ணுறேன்னு சொல்லு yes we'll meet my dear Mumbai will meet Chennai students you please come and visit our center I'm there at West Mambalam only okay you can come and meet me at West Mambalam anytime Mumbai students I'm coming there for you we'll meet there we'll have a session one session we'll keep it in Western line one session we'll keep it in Central line okay yes Vashi fine Vashi from Central Line you can come now to Vashi. From Vashi you can come to Mulund. It's not a big deal. We'll meet somewhere in our Innovate classroom. We'll meet. So, in geometric progression, second term is 12 and the sixth term is 192. Now they ask you to find out the 11th term. आपको गुजराती आती है? See, all my friends are Gujaratis only, man. I was in Mulund. Okay, my major lectures used to happen in Mulund and Ghatkopar. तो गुजराती तो आएगा ही है ना. बात करेगा तो आएगा. What to do for Kerala students? ഞാൻ വരും അവിടെ. എനിക്ക് കുറച്ച് മലയാളം അറിയാം. I can speak. I used to teach in Kerala also. Okay. Kovai students, why not, man? Fine. I take regular online on which platform? My platform, my dear, because we have, see the way Innovate is, they are doing Mumbai, we both, Innovate, Thankyou, we are together only. I'm from Chennai. I'm looking after Chennai. Sare kola mass, question bank, here also you are coming, man. Gujarat, very good. தமிழ்நாட்டில் எல்லா ஊரும் போட்டுட்டு இருக்காங்க. தஞ்சாவூர் அது. Okay. Piyush, I don't know, you have to tell me. So second term is 12. Sixth term is 192. AR is 12. AR power 5 is 192. Divide these two, my dear. AR power 5 divided by AR. 192 divided by 12. So R power 4 is equal to, what is 192 divided by 12? Piyush, aata hu Delhi. R power 4 equal to 16. Is R equal to 2? Yes. Panjatandra Kamalada. R is equal to 2. Now substitute here. A into 2 is equal to 12. A is equal to 6. So A is 6, R is 2. Fine. Ultra legends, what they do, I'll tell you. Listen here. Sir, 12. Second term is 12. This is 192. I always check. See, always in our syllabus, either the sequence, GP sequence, are going to be multiples of 2 into 2 or into 3 only. Not more than that. You please always remember our syllabus into 2 or into 3 only. Okay, this is what our level. Please understand. So what I do, 12, 24, 48, 96, 192. Am I right, my dear? So 192 is coming. Now if I start with 12, into 2, into 2, into 2, fifth term is 196. So I should start from where, my dear? 6. I should start from 6. Now, first term is 6, 12, 24, 48, 96, 192. Next one is what? Into 2, you make it now, man, up to 11 terms. What number you are getting? So T11 is equal to A into 2 power 10. 6 into 1024. 6144 is my answer. See, you are using calculator na, my dear. Into 2, you just keep on doing it na. You will get it. Ada pavingla. Pushpa na fire, Sheikh sir na fire. Pushpa na flower. Deal. Yes. 6, 12. See, into 2, you keep on doing, my dear. Where you are getting, that is up to 11 terms, you do it, you will get it. Rajal, I am getting 6144, my dear. I think very simple sum. Can you do this? I don't know who is K7. Attitude is defining K7 as Canaan. Sriram my channel name. Wow, Mohan. See, Mohan said, please follow that. Into 6 into 2 equal to equal to equal to equal to, keep on pressing. That's what Mohan said. Please follow that. Yes. The first and the last term of an arithmetic progression are 5 and 905. Sum of the terms is 45,955. The number of terms. My dear children, in my YouTube channel I have uploaded theoretical distribution, but the number of views very less. Theoretical distribution, no one is. The other lectures and all going, at least when I upload it, means in 1 hour, 1 day or 2 days it is reaching 1200 views. But theoretical distribution I uploaded, no one is noticing only. What is this? So before you attend my theoretical distribution, please watch it once, because I am telling you, my dear, I covered, even when you watch that lecture, it's hardly 4 hours session only it took, but everything is covered. Watch it once. The first and the last terms of arithmetic progression are 5 and 905. So A is equal to 5, L is equal to 905. Sum of the terms, Sn is equal to 45,955. The number of terms is, we need to find out number of terms. Can you find out? Daniel, don't leave probability and theoretical distribution. They are the simplest topic in statistics. Normal distribution explanation. Aditya, part 3. There are 3 parts. I divided into 3 parts. Part 1, part 2, part 3. Part 3 only 11 people watched. That's what that recommendation did not come to you. Hey Rupesh, don't encourage. Yes, Sushmita, we have. I'm going to continue. Not only for maths. I'll continue. Starts everything. I'm going to continue. Okay, A is equal to 5 in the Thankyou channel only. L is equal to 905. Sn is 45955. The number of terms. Can you please tell me what is number of terms is? Sir, 45955 is equal to n by 2 into 905 plus 5, 910. Very simple. Can you do it? What is it? 101. Oh, introduction part is not there. Let me check, because introduction part is very important, man. Introduction part in the binomial Poisson distribution, last part, can you check whether it is there or not? I'll check it. Okay, I'll check. Okay, Aditya, I'll check it. I was not aware about it. Thank you for notifying me. The sum of first 8 terms of a geometric progression is 5 times the sum of the 4 terms, then the common ratio. Please do it. What is it? Sum of first 8 terms is equal to 5 times sum of 4 terms. Find the common ratio. It's a GP. Do it, my dear. Yes, Vaibhav. You are right. Very good, Rupesh. K7 fan club, wrong. No, Amrita, it's very simple. Attend my session probability. Abhirami, you talk to office, my dear. They will tell you. Our prelims start from 4th November. Sriram, you are here also. I'm not getting time, Sriram. Wow, Divakar, thank you. So nice of you, man. Free revision class. Glad I attended this for the December 2022 attempt. Got 65 in maths. Wow, fantastic. By watching this only. Good. It's really, actually, it's a motivation statement, you know. Please, guys. It's a very good motivation. Thank you so much, Divakar. Aditya, one more sir is there, Aditya, for statistics in EdNoVed channel. In my IQ, I'll continue. Okay. What is the answer? What's the answer? Root 2, root 2, root 2, root 2. Very good. But this side, nothing. Sushmita, you just drop me the message, my dear. I'll help you out. Please do this sum, sir. Attitude, and I'm going to do. Now look at this. What generally people follow, I'll tell you. A into, I don't want to follow the actual method, it's waste of time. See, I'll give you one note. Are you all ready to write the note? In GP. Just write the note, write the note, write the note, and remember this. In GP, if S2n is equal to K times Sn, S2n is equal to K times Sn, then R power n is equal to K plus 1. Is it K plus 1 or K minus 1? R power n is equal to K minus 1. You did not understand, right? I'll tell you. Listen here. S2n is equal to K times Sn. Always it will be of this format only. Don't worry. Look at this. Here what is it? 8. And here what? 4 terms. 4. 8 and 4. Is that right? So is it S8 is equal to 5 times S4, my dear? Say yes or no? Look at this. 8 and 4. Is it satisfying that condition? So directly what you can do? Sir, R power n. What is n here? 4. R power 4 is equal to K minus 1. Instead of K, I got 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. So what is R is equal to? Root 2. Because root 2 whole power 4 is 4, na? Root 2 into root 2 into root 2 into root 2. Which is nothing but 4. Am I right or wrong? Why did you understand this? Sir, you scold me. Yes, attitude. I did that. Have you seen this before, my dear? Have you seen this before? Acha, you are going to scold me, find me. You are sad? Very good. I am very happy. Guys, have you seen this before? This one? Sir, I knew some tricks, but I don't know where to apply it. Don't worry. My dear, again I'm telling you, we need to keep on practicing it. Similar type of question now in your institute material, there are 2 questions. One is in exercise, other one is in additional question bank. So please go and do it. When you just keep on doing it, Nasi, in one sum when you do, so I want to learn all the tricks in one problem. That means why I have to teach for this 25 years, man. Correct now? Because it's taking time, it will take time. Yes. Guys, you understand. EdNoVed, you understood, my dear. Array, You people are not liking the hacks, it seems. No thumbs up, no like button, nothing. It's going very dull, my dear. I'm really sad. See, I brought very beautiful trick. I don't know how many of you are liking it. Ah, Monisha, okay. So, no, I know time value of money. Very good. Ah, our IQ students are showing. Okay, my dear. Great, thank you. Yes. If pth term of an AP is Q and its qth term is P, then what will be the value of P plus qth term? I think this yesterday only we did. We did yesterday only. Can you give me the answer? Very good, Rajal. Yes, Mayuresh. Attitude is saying, sir always gives importance to girl, it seems. See, because I always give importance to girls, attitude, because I have two daughters. So now I am telling my preference is girls. Okay? Happy now? Let us focus. Okay. In a GP, fifth term is 27 and eighth term is 729. Find its 11th term. Can you do it? Okay, fine, sir. Yes, sir, attitude. Yes, you are my children only, no pain, don't worry. Keep entertained. You all are my children. Yeah. पुरीला संतोष सर 38 का सी आ गया ओके आई डोंट नो सी कैसा है अरे दे आस्क यू टू फाइंड आउट 11th टर्म व्हाट इज द आंसर सी आ गया okay C is the answer for 39 D I am getting CA Sheikh is now in this side Monisha this side sometimes you are here sometimes you are here I don't know even I am also here people are just traveling here and there both the channels okay now listen here you want to be ultra legend look at this fifth term is 27 am I right my dear fifth term is 27 which is 3 power 3 this is eighth term 729 which is 3 power 6 am I right my dear fifth term is 3 power 3 eighth term is 3 power 6 my dear 3 terms increased 3 power 3 becomes 3 power 6 am I right plus 1 this way so they ask you to find out 11th term how many terms increased again 3 terms so my answer is going to be what 3 power 9 simple this is ultra legend so here what you do see 729 into 3 times you have to multiply into 3 into 3 into 3 3 times you multiply whatever you are getting that is your answer am I right my dear did you understand this we are everywhere yes I did it in same way attitude I love you man but you hate me acha you are asking 38th question is C or A 38th question A yesterday we did na my dear P plus Q term is 0 Arey beta that was like you know rth term P plus Q minus R that is different okay your favorite sum My favorite sum, everybody's favorite sum. Can you do it? Ninth term and 19th term of an arithmetic progression are 35 and 75 respectively. Then it's 20th term. Huh? Attitude D is wrong. Rahul C is wrong. Sakshi right, Kasturia right, Janiel right, Ritika right. C.A. Sheikh wrong. Sushmita, okay, everyone is right. Yes, 100% right, Janiel. 79 is right. Fine. As usual, what is it? T9, T19. You know what to do. So what is D equal to? 40 by 10, which is nothing but 4. My dear, 19th term is 75. 20th term will be what? 79. Next term, na? Only 4 will be added with that. That's it. Or otherwise, what I do, sometimes I approach like this also. Learn this approach. Whether you are going to apply it in the exam or not, you decide. 9th term is 35. 9th term is 35. Okay. And 19th term is 75. Here what I come to know, 9 fours are 36. 19 fours are 76. 9 fours are 36. That is becoming 35. 19 fours are 76. That is becoming 75. 20th term they ask here. 20 fours are 80. 80 minus 1, 79. Answer over. Okay, I use this method only, sir. Santosh, great, my dear. If 4th, 7th and 10th. Wow, save Bithal Nagar. Very good. Jesus love you too, my dear. Yes, Ritika, I am coming. Wait, after this, I'll do few sums. Hey, Ritika, if it is for your first lecture, I'm telling you, time value of money already completed. So today, just I'm going to have some 15-20 minutes because I'm completing it very soon now. B, okay, Janiel wrong. Oh, sorry, Janiel, you are wrong. 41B. Yes, now listen here. One simple logic I'll tell you, my dear. Everyone is giving B, but B is wrong. See, what is given? 4th term is P. 7th term is Q. And 10th term is what? R. Look at this. 4, 7, 10. Are they in AP? Are they in AP or not? It's a GP sequence. So my answer is Q square equal to PR. That we have to check. 4, 7, 10 should be, the term should be in what? AP terms. Then only this rule applicable. Otherwise it will not applicable. Mohan sir, eppadi test approval. I think in the description it is given now, my dear. Please check that. Q square equal to PR. So, my dear, did you all enjoy this permutation, combination, sequence and series, my dear? Did you all enjoy this sequence and series and permutation combination, my dear? Then see, that's it. This is actually what we are just revising. Now we'll do few problems from time value of money, which is very important. Okay, like some practice. Today I will wind up the session little early. So by the time we'll complete few problems. That is, today time value of money I want you to solve. I'll show the question. I want you to solve. Keep your calculators ready. Okay, because other day I completed the entire portion syllabus. Now I want you to solve time value of money. Are you all ready, my dear? Yes. आपके साथ सबका विकास. Wow, Vaibhav. Great. Ria, don't worry, Ria. On fourth, I am conducting the session. Please attend that session. That's a very important session. Please attend that session. Don't never ever say that you are not good in maths. You people are good. That's what you completed up to 10th standard. Yes. What is the answer here? See, listen here. If the discount rate 10% per annum, how much amount would you pay? Receive 2,500 growing at 8% per annum annually forever. Simply 2,500. My dear, what will come? 2,500 divided by 2%. Daniel, I am not getting your point. Achha, you are phobic since childhood? Okay. No problem. Now, the compound interest on 15,625 rupees for 9 months at 16% per annum compounded quarterly. This for 9 months. That means, and quarterly. Quarterly means what, my dear? This is 4%. Simply what you will do? 15,625 plus 4% plus 4% plus 4% minus 15,625. Check this. What is the answer? Rajal is asking question number 122. Okay. Let me check what you are asking. That is, those questions are rare type questions. Rajal. See, okay. Govinda's mother, Govinda Alare, okay, mother decides to gift him 50,000 rupees every year starting from today. Starting from today, what is it then? Annuity due. Govinda deposits this amount in a bank as and when he receives and gets 10% per annum interest rate compounded annually. What is the present value of this annuity? Tell me, what is the present value of this annuity? Calculator. First you apply the formula. I know what is given. Wait. You apply the formula and the present value of the annuity. A. Rajal has given me A. B. B. B is the right answer. You are multiplying by 1 plus I also now. Give me the calculator. Annuity due you applied, my dear. Listen here. Now let me answer the given part. See, when this is given, when this value P of 4 comma 0.10 is given, just do what I am saying, my dear. Simply you multiply this value with this annuity amount, because that entire value is given. See, what is it, you know? This value I'll tell you. What is the formula? A by I into 1 minus 1 by 1 plus I whole power n. Am I right, my dear? Now, this value only given to you. Okay. Then, but this is actually immediate annuity, na? It is immediate annuity. So after that, that is, sorry, annuity due. So immediately what you will do? Add one more 50,000 with that. You just multiply these two and add 50,000. What did you get? Tell me, my dear. Check it. What I said is right or wrong. Check it. See, just multiply 3.16987 into 50,000. If it is regular annuity, over. Immediate annuity, so add one more 50,000. Answer is will come. Am I right? Agreed. My dear, agreed. Now listen here. Population of town increases 2% of the population at the beginning of that year. The approximate, I think yesterday we did this 40%, right? 17 years. वही किया था. Very good, Vaibhav. Now give me the answer for this. What is the answer? Nine. Okay. Do this one. Option B. What is it? What is the answer? Okay. The difference between compound interest and simple interest on a certain sum for money in 3 years. So pi square into I plus 3 is equal to 110.16. Am I right, my dear? Now they ask you to find out the principal. This is 0.06. P into 0.06. 0.06 plus 3. 3.06. Please do it. 10,000 rupees. Hey, why you are not done it? Why? You didn't get it? What is the answer? 10,000. Sir, why so long you sue? Hey, option method, genial. The problem with option method is, understand, option is D. You have to try option A, option B, option C. Simple interest you have to find out. The process is big, my dear. Achha, I forgot square, sorry. Thank you. Can you try this? Only by using calculator. Let me read the question. See, when this value is given, we are very happy. Yes. A car is available for 4,98,200 rupees cash down payment or 60,000 cash down payment followed by 3 equal annual installments. If the rate of interest charged is 14% per annum compounded yearly, then the total interest charged in the installment plan is. See, if you are paying full amount means you have to pay what? 4,98,200 rupees. Guys, let me approach logically. Fine. Otherwise, you have to make the down payment of 60,000 rupees. So what is here remaining? 4,38,200. This is my loan amount. Am I right, my dear? This is my loan amount. Do you all agree? Okay. First, what I am finding is, sir, this value is given to you directly, sir. Otherwise, what you have to do? You have to find the annuity amount. But annuity amount can be found out directly because in the previous sum only I explained one method, just multiply it. But in this case, you are not supposed to multiply because here annuity is not given. Here it is present value is given. So, use calculator, do what I am saying. 4,38,200 divided by 2.32163. What did you get? Huh? 1,88746. Is that right, my dear? 746, right? Okay. Now look at this. This is my installment amount. Do you all agree? This is my installment amount. Total how many installments? 3. Into 3 you do. Calculator. Minus the loan amount. 4,38,200. This is the difference. You understand why we subtracted. Actually, we are end up in paying 5,24,000 something. Okay, that is what we are paying. Minus the loan amount if I do, the remaining is my interest amount. That is what they ask you to find out. You all understand, my dear? Did you understand this? See, for actually, if it is annuity amount, you would have multiplied these two. Since it's its present value, you are dividing and you are getting the annuity. You understand this, my dear? This is permutation combination. Between suddenly they mixed it. So we are learning permutation combination also now. Again, because yesterday I completed it now. Fine, it's a revision. Great revision, good revision. Yes. A committee of 3 women. It's a nice question, my dear. Please understand this. It's a challenging question. This type of question we never solved before. At least in our session we have not solved it. A committee of 3 women and 4 men. Out of 8 women, 7 men. 4 and 3. 3 and 4. Similar type of question is there in your institute material also. Mrs. Kajal refuses to serve in a committee in which Mr. Yash is a member. Don't ask why. There is a condition. Kajal doesn't want to work with Yash. But is Yash can work with Kajal? He doesn't have any constraint. Only Kajal has got constraint. Is that clear, my dear? Fine. So, I am going to split this question into two categories. Two cases. Hey, send message later. Listen here. Case 1. Kajal included. Case 2. Kajal not included. Now listen here. Kajal included. Kajal included. Committee, in the committee Kajal is included. So now, how many women are available now? 7. Because one person is included. And how many to be selected? 2. Sir, in the question it is given 3, sir. My dear, you already selected Kajal. Now remaining 7, out of 7 you have to select 2 people. So 7. Now, how many male member are available, my dear? How many male member are available, my dear? How many male member are available? Sir, 7, sir. But there is a condition. Kajal is included means Yash has to get excluded. Am I right? So as of now we have got only 6 male members. And how many male members to be selected? There is no constraint. What is second case, my dear? Kajal not included. How many women? 8 only. 7 only. How many to be selected? 3. Because Kajal excluded, she is not going to serve in the committee only. How many male members are available now? Yash may or may not included. So there is no constraint for male. 4. So therefore 7C2 into 6C4 plus 7C3 into 7C4. Check what you are getting, my dear. A attitude, they are not husband and wife. Arivali, it is clearly given Mrs. Kajal, Mr. Yash. Husband and wife. What is the answer? Option D. 1540. Okay. A attitude. Why husband and wife means what? You are going to treat your wife like that only, or what? Huh? I will not serve in the committee when my wife is included. That's what your stand. You are a male dominated person, man. Find effective rate of interest. Find effective rate of interest. The nominal rate of interest 10% per annum. Hey, Ronaldinho. நீதான் வந்திருக்கியா? உன் பேர்ல எவனும் வந்தானா? Nominal rate of interest is 10% per annum. The interest is compounded quarterly. The effective rate of interest will be D. I think you know, sir, 2.5%, sir. The people who knows the calculator trick, what they do? 100 plus 2.5% plus 2.5% plus 2.5% plus 2.5% minus 100. Can you do this? See, when this is given, we are happy. Do you all agree? A company want to replace its existing tool room machine at the end of 10 years. The expected cost of machine would be 10 lakhs. If management company creates sinking fund means future value. How much provision needs to be made out of revenue each year which can earn the rate 10% compounded annually? My dear, direct answer. Without applying formula, direct by calculator, because see, you should be very happy if this value is given. This future value is given, my dear. I told you already, when future value or present value are given, immediately what you'll do? 10 lakhs divided by 15.937425, 62,000. That's it. Did you all notice one thing? When the problem based on present value, here it was given P. When the problem based on future value, it is given A. A stands for amount. P stands for principal. Please do this. Are you using trial and error method? Because B, everyone is giving B. Ritika, not much. I'm completing with this. That's it. But what I do, there are some topics which I may complete fast. Huh? Whenever I have time, few sums, I'll do it from time value of money, because which is very important. Some people are giving me C, some people are giving me B. Please, can you give me the right answer? Vikas Garg is given 62,500 or 37,500. I will solve, Sakshi. Now, Mr. Ram invested total of 1 lakh in two different banks for a fixed period. The first bank yields an interest 9% per annum and the second 11% per annum. If the total interest at the end of 1 year is 9.75% per annum, then the amount invested in the banks are respectively. Okay. So it is per annum only, right? Okay. Can you please tell me total 1 lakh? 10,000, 1 lakh plus 9.75%. Tell me how much you are getting? 1097. Okay, let me keep it as it is, because totally this much I am earning. Now let me use trial and error method. Option A, 52,500 and 47,500. First bank, 52,500. What is the rate of interest? 9%. Second bank, 47,500. What is rate of interest? 11%. Both amount you find out, add both. If it is equivalent to this value, that is my answer. See, 52,500 plus 9%. Huh? So option A cannot be my answer. Try option B. If you are using this trial and error method, now 62,500 plus 9% M plus 37,500 plus 11% M plus MRC 109750. That's it. See how simple it is. Did you understand this approach? Okay. Okay, guys. So let us wind up with today's session. Tomorrow we are going to do what? Sets, relations, and the functions. Of course, many of you are planning to leave sets, relations, and functions, or many of you have not learned sets, especially relations, the way it has to be learnt. So tomorrow you please come and attend the session. Okay, you will learn lot of new things, my dear. Then after that, in the next session, day after tomorrow, we are going to do what? Calculus with lot of hacks, of course. And finally, how to approach. With that, the maths is over. Okay, then we'll continue with stats. Okay, my dear. Thank you, all of you. Bye. Good night. Sweet dreams. Yes. Very good. M plus में MRC एक बार बताओ. अरे बेटा 62,500 plus 9%. See, actually what you need to check, Ritika, you need to check your calculator properly, because what happens, some calculators carry on the what we can say, like the memory. So first we need to remove the memory before you start the question. So 62,500 plus 9% M plus, I'm keeping it in memory. Second one also keeping it in memory. MRC means memory recall. Okay. Bye all of you. Thank you. Attitude M plus doesn't work, then throw it away. Bye. Nandrigal pala. Okay, ma.